This tutorial video is to introduce you to Symbaloo. Symbaloo is a visual bookmarking tool that makes it simple and fun to organize the best of the web. You have all your favorite websites at your fingertips. With an account, you can access your bookmarks from everywhere with any device and share your online resources with others. Symbaloo also lets you create your personal start page for the web and connect your social media, read RSS feeds, and use widgets like search, weather, and more. This Symbaloo is the beginning of what you'll see before you create an account. Once you create an account, you can personalize your Symbaloo. I like to think of Symbaloo as my favorites on steroids. So as you can see here, with me logged on to my account, you have various tabs across the top where I have organized my tiles. Each one of these are called tiles. I like to bring your attention to this particular tab where you see the lock. This is a web mix that I've searched for and someone else has created. That's why there's a lock there. When you look at the tabs across the top where there is no lock, these are my personal web mixes that I've created. So this particular web mix is sites to places that I need to remember for my son's school. This is the main page, and these are some other sites that I have to access. The way you would open up websites is that you would simply click on one of these web tiles and you can immediately start using a website. You can drag and drop your tiles and add tiles or delete them. The center tile here is a small application in the center box. This enables you to directly search in Google. You can read your news. You can click on your emails, organize your email, or either search for images. You could also access the weather here. You could also add tiles by clicking in the search box. So let's search for, let's say, Khan Academy. Once you see the icon that you want, you could just simply drag it onto your web mix, and it is that simple. For each subject, you could easily create a new tab. And if I click on this drop down box here, this will show you all of my mixes that I've created. And you can see that I've made mixes from things as simple as my sports, Microsoft resources, cool school sites that I've been to and would like to remember. And I've also organized a few that's already created. This is one of my favorites. It's a robotics web mix, and this is one that I found by a simple search. And all of these icons represent different sites that we use in our robotics class. If you notice the lock here again, this is web mix that I've found that someone else was sharing with the community for Symbaloo, so I like it and I kept it here. I'm going to close out my video tutorial by playing a video from Symbaloo that explains in a minute the favorites for Symbaloo.
This is Symbaloo. With Symbaloo, you can now have all your favorite websites at your fingertips, anywhere and always. Choose your favorite websites, and within a few clicks, you can create your very own homepage. With an account, your favorites are available on any computer, tablet, or mobile device. Wherever you go, you'll always have access to your favorite websites. Simple, easy, and with one click, you can quickly go anywhere on the web. With Symbaloo, you never have to type in an address manually. This saves plenty of time and helps relieve the stress of mistyped links. Found a new website to add to your Symbaloo page? With the Symbaloo bookmarker, you can add it with just one click. The site is now available on your Symbaloo without ever having to search it again. Symbaloo is free and without advertising. We store your data in the cloud, so there is no risk of ever losing your settings. Create your own Symbaloo now by downloading the free app. Symbaloo. Start simple.
Okay guys, that is Symbaloo. To get started, just click on Create Your Account. And I would like to also remind you that there are mobile-friendly apps for iPads, Androids, iPhones, and more. Create an account to get started today.